Okay guys, in this small video I will be teaching you guys about the crossroad junctions. So crossroad junctions controlled by the traffic light, and crossroad junctions controlled by the lane markings. We have got a crossroad junction coming up. It's controlled by the traffic light, and it has got a small box as well. So as I'm approaching, I will check my center and the right mirror. I will signal to the right. It has got a cycle box over there, so I will stop just before the cycle box. But as you can see, on the ahead, on the opposite side, there's a two lane. There's a black car there who's signaling turning towards my left. I don't need to worry about it. I need to worry about cars coming straight. Now, crossroad junctions, because I will be crossing over oncoming lane, if there is any car coming, there's a blue car coming up now, I would go in the middle and I would stop and let that car go first, because I need to cross over that blue car lane to go into some other lane. So you need to make sure you stop in the middle, nice and safe, and allow the black car to go past first. So I'm going to be turning right at this crossroad junction, and I stopped just before the cycle box. You shouldn't be stopping yourself at the red traffic light at the cycle box. So I check my mirrors. I will go forward. I will go in the middle into this box where the arrow is, where the gutter is. I will stop roughly about where the gutter is. Keep looking ahead. So white car is gone, but I can see another silver car is coming. The traffic light facing that way, you can see into the body behavior. If they start slowing down, you can go. So I had a nice gap over there, and I just turn. So once I turn, I check my mirrors, and I will gradually build up my speed. So always look inside the road you are turning into as well. It's very important. Okay guys, so the next crossroad junction is coming up. The next traffic light, I'm going to be turning right. Now it's very important to pay attention. You can see three lanes developing over there. Far left lanes for left turning, middle for going straight, and right for the right turning. Because I'm turning right, I need to be on the right lane. I don't need to signal, just choose your right lane correctly. Once you pass the right turning, the last one there, I will check my center in the right mirror and I will signal to the right. Now same thing again which I did before. The only difference is that this time on the opposite side, there's only one lane which I need to focus. So I will still go inside the box, and I will still be looking on the oncoming traffic. If there was any oncoming traffic, I would wait in the box, let them go past, and I would turn. Now second difference is, when I'm going to be turning right, there's two lanes over there. So I need to make sure that when I turn right, I will keep my car into the left lane. So now there's nobody else coming. I'm turning right. So there's two lanes into this new road there. I need to stay into the left lane. Okay. The left lane is ours. The right lane is usually for right turning or for overtaking purposes. We were not doing either of them. So we stay into the left lane until further instructions. Okay guys, so now we have got two crossroad junctions coming up. They're both controlled by the lane markings, and they're both close view junctions. What that means, I cannot see who's coming from the right and the left. So I would treat as a close view, and I would have to stop. So there's a giveaway line there. I'm going straight ahead, so I will stop at the giveaway line. I would lean my body forward towards the steering. I would look at my right, my left, and my right again, and I would go if it's safe. You can check your left again if you need to, and you can go nice and gentle over there. So then if you're looking ahead, we do have got another crossroad junction coming up. Again, is a close view crossroad junction, because I cannot see who's coming from the right and from the left, because you got a wall there. The same thing again, I will stop at the giveaway line, lean your body towards the steering, look at your right, look at your left, right. I would check my left again, and I would go nice and gentle. It's perfectly fine. It's better to stop on the closed view junction so you can do your assessment. Usually we use the word LADA, L-A-D-A. So what that means is look, assess, decide, and then act. So I hope this small video will help you out for the crossroad junctions. Thank you.